Hey, what's up guys, it's PRHD from Tech Association, and today I am going to do the review of the Nokia Lumia 630 dual SIM smartphone. This is the Nokia Lumia 630 box and its charger, which I found inside the box, and its earphones, quite good earphones. So now this is the Nokia Lumia 630 dual SIM white smartphone. Here comes its billing and its user manual or something like that. Now this is the Nokia Lumia 630 smartphone in white. So now let's take a look at the Nokia Lumia 630. Here comes its pure black Gorilla Glass 3 screen and its edges, which concludes that it has a dazzling look. So now I show you what's its inside features, and let's take a look inside the phone. It is the lock screen, where here comes all the notifications like missed calls and messages. Here comes the time and the date, which has a pretty awesome text. Now sliding it up, here comes its good and I like the best UI. So now as we see, here comes the slide down menu, where comes all the notifications. You can slide them, the quick settings and the all settings. So now if you want it as a business purpose, you can go for it, as it has Microsoft Office, where you can make Word and PowerPoint and Excel. And here are many editing apps also, photo editing or video editing, like it's the PicsArt, it's the Nokia Chronograph and many more. The default browser is the Internet Explorer, and I have also used the Opera Mini browser. So if you want a phone with these features, you can go for a Nokia Lumia. So here comes its sliding menu, where comes all the apps. So this was the inner part of the Nokia Lumia 630. So now if we take a look at its sound, as you know that Lumia is famous for its sound quality, as the earphones, the headphones and many other things. So now I tell you about its sound. Here's the Nokia music. Sound. And a back facing speaker, which is good for listening music, but not for looking the videos and editing purpose. So this was the sound of the Nokia Lumia 630. Now another good feature of the Nokia Lumia is its camera. You have seen that Nokia gives a great cameras in its higher ended devices, like it's the Nokia Lumia 1020 with 40 megapixel camera. But anyway, it has a 5 megapixel camera without a flash. Here it's its camera, but it gives an awesome quality of pictures, as it's the Nokia camera. So if you want to take pictures, it is not as fast as you see other devices like Apple or iOS, but it gives a great animation, like a circle animation as the lollipop gives. So it has a great camera. So now one of the main things I should mention in my review is the battery size, as the battery backup of Lumia is great. I think it's pretty great. And if you talk about its charging speed, yeah, the 3-pin charger of the Lumia gives a fast charging. So it has a 1830 milliamp of battery, which gives a lot of backup. And if you take it as in morning, if you have a full charging, at night you must have a 20 to 30% of battery. And the standby time, yeah, it's awesome, as if you sleep about 100% battery, you would wake up about 96 or 97%, which is great and awesome. So this was my review of the Nokia Lumia 630 smartphone. Now meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.